Welcome back to Mixed Movie Day.
So, Chino, last week, nag-trend tayo dahil
Siyempre.
pinalabas natin ang teaser for Crazy Beautiful You starring Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo.
Nako, teaser pa lang yan ha. So, paano kaya guys kung nandito ang... nakuha niyo ba ito? Katniel sa show!
Grabe naman! I'm sure magkakagulo ang mga Katniel fans mamaya dahil papakita namin ang sneak peek ng aming next week's interview with Katniel.
Pero bago yan, mag-throwback muna tayo sa kanilang mga previous movies.
Okay, let's go. Let's start it off with the first ever movie they appeared in together, 2012's 24/7 in Love. This movie is an ensemble cast including John Lloyd Cruz, Bea Alonzo, Kim Herald, Sam Milby, Angelica Panganiban, Piolo Pascual, Maha Salvador, Zanjo Marudo, at marami pang iba.
Dito may iba't ibang stories ang mga characters at isa na dyan ang kina Katniel kung saan si Jane ay isang diehard fan ni Billy Fernandez.
To win tickets to his concert, she must answer the question, what would you do if it was the end of the world?
Patok na patok talaga ang kanilang love team kaya nasundan agad ito ng 2012 MMFF entry Sister Raka.
Directed by Wendy De Ramas and starring Ay de las Alas, Vice Ganda, and Chris Aquino, this movie is the third highest grossing Filipino movie of all time.
Siyempre, papatok yan sa box office since kasama pa ang Katniel. In the movie, Daniel played Vice's nephew, while Catherine played Ay's daughter, and they fall in love with each other.
So far, sa mga movies na na-mention natin, supporting roles pa lang ang Katniel. Pero eto na, ang kanilang first movie as lead actors.
In 2013's Must Be Love, directed by Dado Lumibaw, mag-best friends sina Katniel dito ever since bata pa sila. But Patch realizes she has feelings for Ivan and wants to be more than friends.
Nako, usong-uso talaga ang ganyan. And to add to that, may ibang babaeng dumating sa buhay ni Ivan, played by Liza Soberano.
Will Patch and Ivan remain as friends or will their relationship develop into something more?
Panoorin nyo ang movie para malaman nyo. Pero ito, punta naman tayo sa isang horror flick that they did together.
The 2013 MMFF entry Pagpag Siyam na Buhay centers around a group of teenagers who are haunted by an evil spirit.
This offered something new to the Katniel fans kasi hindi lang siya romance or comedy. May elements of horror and suspense din.
Kaya kung gusto nyong kiligin and at the same time matakot, Pagpag is just for you guys. But now, let's go to the movie that everyone talks about and is still talking about.
She's Dating the Gangster. Dito ako naging Katniel fan talaga. As in, iyak ako ng iyak sa movie na to. And what I like about it more is that it's an ensemble cast. Andito sina Richard Gomez, Don Zulueta, and na fan din nila ako. So, I really like this movie.
Okay na.
So there you go guys, those were the movies Katniel appeared in so far. Pero ito na nga, may bagong movie na ulit sila together.
I'm so excited na ang mga Katniel fans for Crazy Beautiful You.
And to prepare you for this movie, we're giving you a sneak peek from none other than Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo.
Now, nung naging mixed celebrity VJ si ka, Daniel, meron siyang ginawang the pinaka-astig na Daniel Padilla quiz. And perfect ang score niya doon, Daniel. So ngayon naman, Daniel, it's your turn. Kailangan mo i-take yung test namin about Catherine Bernardo. Umpisa tayo sa madali. When is Catherine's birthday?
My gosh, ang hirap doon.
Wala ko lang. March
Good year.
26. 96.
Okay.
Mag-pink ka kagad,
1
nakakapran.
point, 1 point. Okay. Next. Anong pagkain ang hindi kinakain ni Catherine?
Wait, magbigay ka ng mga 6. Butalo pa.
Ba't ba nandito pag lumabas ka kaya? Dinuguan.
Okay,
Oh.
go. 5 mo.
Dugo.
Uan.
Hindi mo gulay.
Ano klase mo?
Okra.
Kumakain ako ng okra.
Talong kinakain.
Kumakain ako ng okra.
Hindi. Ulitin ka na. Shark. Snake. Oh, di ka kumain ng snake.
Oh, ano pa?
Di ka kumain ng bayawak. Oh, kinain ko yun. Nasa lagubang.
Ba't kailangan exotic? Malamang di ka nakakainin.
Kaya nga, hindi mo
Mautak
naman
si
kakain.
Daniel.
Gagamba, hindi ka rin kakain. Okay.
So, hindi. Dapat, ang judge natin dito si Catherine. Tama ba ang mga sagot ni Daniel? Okay na, sige. So,
Totoo
pasado
naman.
ka sa question na yan. Yay! Alright. Next question. What are the names of Catherine's parents?
Min and Sid. Oh my.
75.
Tito Ted. Tito Teddy. Ano?
Yeah, correct. Congrats.
Lucy, Minda, and Ted.
Congrats,
So
pare.
far, wala pang mali. Next question. Where did
Ito parang
Catherine...
magkakasira kami pag mali-mali. Okay, good.
Hindi yan. Napakatatag ng Catherine. Okay. Where did Catherine make her acting debut?
Mara Clara. Go in the minute. Super Ingo. Super Ingo. Ay, magkaribal. Kita mo, alam ko lahat eh. Dapat tanggap na yun. Nice. Next. Thank you. Tama, mali. Marami naman.
Mara Clara. Okay. Tama naman. Yun ata ang una mong sinabi, Daniel. Okay.
See?
Next question. What is Catherine's favorite song? I think medyo mahirap to.
Hirap. Hindi ko na namin sagutin.
Hindi. Marami siyang gusto.
Magbigay ka na lang isa.
Everything.
Ano
ba problema yun
Okay.
na gusto mo?
Everything by Michael Bublé.
Sige,
lang,
oh,
okay
ano na
lang.
lang.
Okay na.
Hindi, wait. Sige,
Ito ba?
ito.
Next. Ilang beses ka na nag-I love you kay Catherine?
Baka.
Hindi, joke lang.
Alam mo eh.
Sneak peek pa lang yan para sa inyo,
Kung
guys!
gusto nyo mapanood ang full interview, tutok lang kayo uli next week on Mixed Movie Date for our full feature on Crazy Beautiful You.
But before we go, we have some exciting movie news for you guys.
It was just announced that rival studios Sony and Marvel are coming together to bring everyone's favorite web slinger into the Marvel Cinematic Universe.
Ever since the first Avengers movie came out, everyone was waiting for Spider-Man to make an appearance. Kasi part naman talaga siya ng Avengers sa comics.
That's true, but this never happened because Sony has the rights to the character of Spider-Man.
But now, we can all rejoice cause they've reached a deal and the rumor has it now we will be able to see Spidey as early as the upcoming Captain America movie to be released in 2016.
Kaso sayang lang, Chino, kasi Andrew Garfield won't be reprising his role as Spider-Man. And there were rumors na baka nga hindi na raw si Peter Parker yung maging Spider-Man, but Miles Morales. So we have to just stick around and see what they have for us.
Basta for me, welcome home, Spidey! So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed Mixed Movie Day today.
Don't forget to tune in every week because just like music, the movies never stop coming.
This has been Chino.
And Ai for Mixed Movie Date. Bye! Alam mo lang wala, pero meron!
Meron!
I am Catherine Bernard.
Oh my God! I forgot! Sorry guys